Hey guys, on Tennessee Legal Questions, a question was asked, how do I expunge a record? There are several ways. First of all, if your criminal case ended in a dismissed, retired, or nollie prosecute, you'll hear nollie. If your criminal case ended like that, then absolutely your case can be expunged. If your case, for example, ended in dismissal, it's eligible to be expunged. Sometimes you'll see dismissed on payment of costs. Okay, then pay the costs, then get the case dismissed. If the case was retired, it's often retired for a specific period of time. We're going to retire it for 30 days, retire for 90 days, retire for 1129. After that period of time, you can file a motion asking that your case be moved from retired to dismissed and expunged. Nollie is the same thing. That's the state decides not to prosecute, nollie proceeding. Now, that is also for a period of time. It depends on how long. If it's an A misdemeanor, for example, the state has up to 1 year, up to 11 months, 29 days to reactivate that case and bring it back. After that period of time, you file a motion asking for the court to move it from nollie to dismiss and expunge. Some cases, some charges based on a Tennessee law that passed just a very few years ago, you may expunge as well if they are the only thing on your record and there's been nothing else since that arrest, since that conviction, for about a 5-year period of time. There are some charges that this does not apply to. Okay, I have posted a link, and I'll post another link again that kind of details what those are, and look at it. If there's further questions, ask me. The final way to get something cleared from your record is if your plea of guilty was under diversion, which can be pretrial diversion, which is called a memorandum of understanding, or post-plea diversion, which is 40-35-313. Okay, those are important, and those are the ways to get your case expunged. You may listen to this and say, great, thanks for answering the question. You may say, wow, that just creates more questions. If that's the case, ask me more. I appreciate the opportunity to answer anything, and just hang out, keep watching, and keep asking questions here on Tennessee Legal Questions. Thanks.